everyone, this is Roni from CRUKING. Today I would like to introduce the LUOJIAN Heavy Industry Fully Hydraulic Single Steer Wheel Vibrating Roller LZ310H. LUOJIAN Heavy Industry Machinery Company was established in 2019 and is located in Luoyang City, Henan Province, which is an enterprise mainly engaged in special equipment manufacturing.
This roller is a medium-sized compacting machine equipped with a high-pressure common rail and WEICHAI engine. The rear axle adopts a reinforced engineering machinery, wheel side reduction driver axle. Which is fully hydraulically operated and suitable for compacting non-sticky earthwork, gravel, sand, and lawn. This road roller is equipped with WEICHAI engine, which has environmentally friendly, high power and high efficiency, and other advantages. The cab uses a high-end LCD instrument assembly. All machine information is clear at a glance, and the driver can easily control the operation of the machine. More importantly, it adopts a fully hydraulic operating system, which greatly improves its working efficiency. Okay, this is the main introduction of this road roller. If you are interested, please free to contact me. Bye bye.